What's going on, guys? Hunter here with another Dash Design tutorial video. Today we're going to be getting into some Series 2 specific videos. This one will be going over how to create a engine load channel in PSI rather than %. Let's jump right in. The first thing we'll do is we'll take a look at the AEMnet CAN protocol. You can find it on the AEM Electronics website. And so you'll see here the engine load channel. We'll zoom in a little bit. Engine load channel is going to be output on the Series 2. And this channel is going to be from 0 to 100%, and it's a fraction. So by default, this is what the Series 2 ECU is outputting. Now, in order to get the dash to display something that we want to see, like engine load in PSI, we need to create a new channel for that. We'll need to get our sensor datasheet, have that handy. For all of the AEM sensors, you can find the sensor datasheet under Products, Sensors, Map Sensors, Stainless Steel Map Sensors, and then the sensor datasheets will be below. So this sensor datasheet here is for the AEM 3.5 bar sensor, and so we'll come over here to the Dash Design software, File, Open Setup. We'll do a Series 2 specific setup. We'll just do the first one here. And as you can see, we have load here in %, but that's not what we want. We want load in PSI. So we'll go to Channels, create a new channel. We will name it Engine Load PSI, with the primary input being engine load %. For this, we're going to do a linear calculation. We'll have a scalar of 0.5 with an offset of -14.7. So the offset is going to be standard. Pretty much no matter what sensor you're doing, you'll just do a blanket -14.7 offset. That'll get you close, assuming you're around sea level. And then the scalar, that's going to be determined by what sensor you're actually using. So in this case, we have a 50 PSI sensor for the full range. We need to get 50 to equal 100. So we do that by multiplying 100, 0.5. The offset's the same, so then when you add that channel to your screen, add it in right here. Let's see, engine load PSI, okay. Change this one as well. Engine load PSI, okay. Change this to say boost. And then we'll also need to change the start and end on this to -14.7, and the end will be 35.3. Make the segment size every 1 PSI. So we'll go over to our simulator, test this out real quick. Let's go engine load of 50%, gives us about 10.3 PSI. Let's say that you don't have a 3.5 bar sensor. Let's say you have, say, 2 bar sensor. So we'll open up the data sheet. This full spectrum is 30. So we'll go to our channels list, change the scalar to 0.3, then go back to our simulator. Let's change this back to 50, which gets us a boost level of about 0.3. So right here in the middle, right between 0.5 and 4.5, engine load of 0.3, boost level here, 0.3. This works in these sensors because they all have a full spectrum of a round number. So do it again right here with the 5 bar sensor. So 5 bar sensor, full spectrum, 75 PSI. Come into Dash Design, Channels, Scalar, 7.5, and then go back to our simulator, jump in here with an engine load of 50. It should be about 22.8, and it's 22.8 right here. Pretty much all you need to know is the full spectrum of your sensor, so the high, basically how many breakpoints there are. So if it goes from negative 14.7 to 60.3, that's 75 PSI A units, and that's what you'll input as your scaler. We can test with the last sensor we have a data sheet on, which would be the 7-bar sensor. So this unit is a 7-bar sensor, and it has a full spectrum of 100 PSI. So in this case, it's going to be a 1-to-1 output. So we'll go to channels, engine load, change our scaler to 1, but we're keeping the same offset of 14.7. Go into our simulator. At the halfway point, it should be at about 35.3. That's a quick and easy way to get your PSI showing up on your dash when you're running a Series 2 ECU, and the ECU is outputting it the engine load as a percent. Pretty much all you need is the sensor data sheet, so you know the full scope of the sensor, and then you can create this channel right here. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Please leave your comments down below. Be sure to like and subscribe for future updates. Alright, take care.